Entry-level QA interview questions. What is CDLC? The software development lifecycle is the process of developing software. Each part of the cycle has entry and exit criteria along with expected deliverables. The steps are requirements gathering, design, development, test, deploy, maintenance. What is the software testing lifecycle? This is a sequence of specific activities conducted during the testing process to ensure software quality. It defines the steps and phases involved in testing software, from the initial planning phase to the closure after test execution. The steps are requirements analysis, test planning, test case development, setup environments, test execution, test closure. What is a test plan? This is a blueprint for running tests to ensure that software is working as expected. The detailed documentation should include the testing scope, strategy, objectives, schedules, estimations, resources required, and deadlines for a project. What is a use case? This is a description of how a person who uses a system or process will accomplish a goal. Use cases help identify test cases to cover a system or process. What types of testing are you familiar with? Functional testing, non-functional testing, regression testing, load testing, migration testing, black box testing, cross-browser testing, white box testing, unit testing. What are some benefits of manual over automation testing? For applications that need to be tested just once, it is faster and more cost-effective to run a manual test than an automated test. User interface testing can sometimes be more accurate because you are getting the real feel of an end-user experience. In manual testing, you will be able to visualize things that look off with a web page that an automation tool may not capture. What is the difference between functional and non-functional testing? Functional testing focuses on verifying that the software behaves according to the requirements or specifications, while non-functional testing focuses on evaluating the performance, usability, and other qualities of the system that are not directly related to specific functionality. Types of functional testing include unit testing and application testing. Types of non-functional testing include load testing, performance testing, and security testing. What is a bug? A bug is any kind of failure, error, or unexpected response that prevents a software or application from functioning as expected. Write a test case for a pen. Focus on title, description, precondition, assumption, tests, steps, expected results. Title: make sure pen writes on paper. Description: a person using this pen should be able to use it to write on a piece of paper. Precondition: a user must have a pen that has ink in it and a piece of paper. Assumption: the user knows how to write.